mistake akora ne ye nkremofo nyina di adanse mistake on ye ne say Mary na Jesus no or the Moses ni nia me Miriam me brother
pause.
Mose nuaba no.
Mose nuaba. Miriam no. Ono na Quran say owu Yesu. Astaghfirullah. Hwa munti asema Quran ne kan yo.
Quran.
Bible ni pastor ni say Quran kire say Mary na yesi Yesu maame no ye friend say Aaron ni nua Miriam no asem na Quran ni ka no hwe ye wa asem bia wo hu Nyankopɔn kotu Quran ni mu a enye nyame na ka kyerɛ sɛ me dey example sempo saa na asem no tie sɛ Mary na wo ho no ya ukhtil Harun no kyerɛ Mose nua ba Mary dia enye nyame na ka o nyame kotu sɛ enkrofo no na ka saa eti se nipa na ye mistake yo se onye mistake yo Nyankopɔn kotu de nipa ne kamana kai
Enuanom ansa na be pensen we mu no mumma yenhwe abusu a Miriam free mu for 1 Chronicles chapter 6 verse 1 to 3. Verse 1, the son of Levi, Gershon, Gohat, and Merari, the sons of Gohat, Emran, Izad, Hebron, and Uzel, the children of Emran, Aaron, Moses, and Miriam. After yen heard the Ephraim kai about Quran chapter 19 verse 27 to 28, a mistake Yesu mame as Aaron nuabano, yanokrana. Quran chapter 19 verse 27 to 28. And she came to her people with him, carrying him with her. They said, O Miriam, sure you've done a strange thing. O sister of Harun, I had a problem no one. Your father was not a bad man, nor was your mother an unchaste woman. Okay, I am not Mary awu Yesu. Into a didn't cook room honum no. Krumo for who drew one. So ba whom bear mother. No worry it me wo. But verse no refer to Yesu Mami Mary, a sister of Aaron or Harun in Arabic. Ephraim has a point here. Na idi enti na Muhammad frɛ Mary sɛ Aaron nuaba. Adan odwene sɛ Aaron ni Moses nuaba Miriam. Ono ani Yesu maame Mary ana. Saa na odwene dia anyway mistake free sɛ Aaron nua Miriam ni Yesu maame Mary is 600 to 1,000 years apart. But getting more evidence with Chronicles chapter 6 verse 1 to 3 say Miriam, Aaron, and Moses papa ye Imran. 12. And Mary, the daughter of Imran, who guarded her womb, and so we breathed into her of our spirit, and she believed in the truth of her Lord's words and his books, and was one of the devout. We share verse we are. It referred to Yesu Mami Mary as the daughter of Imran, just as 1 Chronicles chapter 6 verse 1 to 3, and so referred to Aaron's sister, Miriam, as the daughter or child of Imran. And Quran chapter 3 verse 35 to 37, and so referred to Mary Mame as the wife of Imran, which makes Mary the daughter of Imran. In Tibet, ma conclude say Ephraim was right. Muhammad mistakenly referred to Jesus, Mame, Mary, as the sister of Aaron, which is not accurate. Afi mummy enhwe Muslim scholar no anu yi a ode maaye fa question we ho. O say Mary dey abofran drew krum ho no. No krumofo ni interact with her no, no mo friend no, sister of Aaron, into the author of the Quran, i.e. Muhammad, was just narrating or repeating the krumofo no kan. Na yim say ho, said the okane no kra na sen na other scholars nso kyerɛ ase stifa. In fact, sen na Muhammad kyerɛ ase. If you say what kan hadith na a Christopher no mo ho Muhammad address hunu error we wo Quran nim. No mo pointing out kyerɛ Muhammad chidifo. Sahih Muslim Hadith 5326. Mujra ben Shuba reported, when I came to Najra, they, the Christian of Najra, asked me, you read, O sister of Harun, in the Quran, whereas Moses was born much before Jesus. When I came back to Allah's messenger, I asked him about that, whereupon he said, the people of the old age used to give their names to their persons after the name of apostles and pious persons who has gone before them. So if verse we are, hadith we are, Muhammad Chras say, Nedi Kanfo no, etu medin after pious persons or religious figures. Now by so doing, no, they were referring to those children as brothers or children or fathers of the religious figures they were named after. Wabra omunye busuya no born to entombia. It doesn't make sense. Explanation we more had chain attention, but that's the explanation Muhammad did by. And can make sense senko kasen ke bi and lineage and as ancestors or descendants of those people are and can make sense, but that's not the explanation he gave. Intina the no. Finally, me read Ibn Kathir commentary on Surah 1928. Muhammad Ibn Sirin stated that he was told that Ka'b said that the verse that read, "O sister of Harun," does not refer to Aaron, the brother of Moses. Aisha replied to Ka'b, "You have lied." Ka'b responded, "O mother of the believers, if the Prophet, may Allah's praise be upon him, has said it, he is more knowledgeable. Then, this is what he related. Besides, I find the difference in time between them, i.e. Jesus and Moses, to be 600 years. He said that, she remained silent." So with Ibn Kathir, with me say this surah was very confusing during Muhammad Abreso. If Muhammad Aisha, who is referred to as mother of the believers, Ejidi former Mimpo, was confused about this verse, there is always debate about this surah. Muslim claims that the Quran is clear and does not need any explanation. You be the judge. Was this surah clear enough? If yes, then why was early Muslims like Aisha, mother of the believers, confused?
Quran ni mu asem no. Wan kasa ubisa question no. Ena wa san correct wo ho because o de ma me no be fi say o de ma common sense ni na wa misinterpret no. O kan Bible into we my lesson. Me Sheikh Ahmed Awal aka asem bi. Asem o kan ye no. Me man reply Monday and Tuesday. Me man reply ya we bebem. Sheikh Ahmed Awal aka no video ye ni mu say Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita ni nyina free Nyankopon. But according to the Quran, that is not enya nukura enya sa. Ena ni Quran mu say Torah no yasesa no enim nti me explain ni na the opposite say yeti ase ne say wokọ Bible ni mu a ni nyina ni wokọ Bible ni mu a ye wo Mariam mienu Mariam baako ni nyina ye Mary baako ye Moses ni nua ba Old Testament Moses ni nua ba ye fe no Mariam and Jesus maame Mary ono so ye Mariam but Quran ekofa Moses ni nua ba no eno de ye Jesus maame tia no me kire no Monday and Tuesday Exodus 6:20 ewo ho so ko ka pe on be kire mu bibi ti sa na tie ena Hebra no ka say fear.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dahu. In the 11th Muharram 1446 Islamic calendar no Christian calendar 17th July 2024. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi miche obiya. Yene Abraham Bishe, nde ya be discuss about Maryam and Mary. Moses nuya ba Mary and Jesus mami Mary. Abraham Bishe say Quran eti. Instead of say one frere was Jesus mami Mary ano. Ono na Quran e ka say Moses nuya ba Mary. Fine. Okoye debate oni Mala Hafiz Buhari okoye debate okasa asan we wo ho wasamba program wa sasa baka the same thing program na omokoye okomasi no asa baka the same thing tin pese yankohwe service no ewo Quran chapter 19 verse number 15 yankohwe verse in where Quran chapter 19, which is Surah Maryam, verse number 15. Okay, Yanko verse 16. Yanko said, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَذْكُرْ فِي كِتَابِ مَرْيَمَ وَذْكُرْ في الكتاب مريم إذ انتبذت من أهلها فكانت شرقيا. And mention in the book, which is the Quran, the story of Maryam when she withdrew in seclusion from her family to a place facing east. She placed a screen to screen herself from them. Then we sent to her our Ruh, Angel Gabriel, and he appeared before her in the form of a man in all respects. Because she said, Verily, I seek refuge with the most gracious Allah from you, if you do fear Allah. قالت إنما أنا رسول ربك. The messenger, the angel said, I am only a messenger from your Lord to announce to you the gift of a righteous son. قالت أنا يكون لي غلام ولم يمسسني بشرا ولم أكل بغيا. She said, how can I have a son when no man has touched me, nor am I unchaste? That is, menya adwamambɔfoɔ, menya shawoni. How can I have a son? He said, so your Lord said that is easy for him. And easy. It doesn't matter. So person won't buni but no person be say so obey. And we wish and to appoint him as a sign to mankind and a mercy from us, Allah. And it is a matter decreed by Allah. So she conceived at once. A story is short. And I want to say, so she conceived him, and she withdrew with him to a near place, Bethlehem, valley about 4 and 6 miles from Jerusalem. فأجاءها مخاض إلى جذع نخلة قالت يا ليتني مت قبل هذا وكنت نسيا منسيا. And the pains of childbirth drove her to the trunk of a date palm. She said, would that I had died before this and had been forgotten and out of sight. Ono kasa we die enimguasi o. Minti bi da ana no so aye one day so. Edana angel ka say obanyinsa wa akwala no. Saa da no ana nyinse ofa nyinse saa da no so nyinse nyini ya wo say o saa da no. We see another topic o. Me da yonko. Even man for the donor say there be a normal 9 months. Baby say the same day na nti o maka say the same day no me support o because Quran say and the Quran say and she conceived him and she withdrew with him to a far place, Bethlehem valley about 4 to 6 miles from Jerusalem. And the pain of childbirth drove her to the trunk of a tree. Okay, then the baby, Isa or Jesus. Malam for Bill said there be Casano Jesus. Maybe said there be any Jesus, Angel Gabriel and a Casa Chirano. Then the baby Isa into bracket or Jesus, Anna or Jibril, which is Gabriel, cry unto her from below her, saying, Grieve not, your Lord has provided a water stream under you, and shake the trunk of date palm towards you. It will let fall fresh ripe dates upon you. So eat and drink and be glad. And if you see any human being, say, Verily, I have vowed a fast unto the most beneficent Allah, so I shall not speak to any human being this day. Then she brought him the baby. To Ahana Asamnawa. Aha ana Asamnawa. Jesus mami edi Jesus eko nkorofo wopie ana angel shia no. Angel shia na ana wo se nyakopo se obawo akwala. Na se obi a miniku no obi ye nyensa na ba wawo se wo de akwala akonkorofo nchen. Aha obi enti ha ye ha na Asamnawa. Aha na Abraham Moshe se Quran ye mistake no. Allah ekutu nkorofo no. Nsama nkorofo no ibisa mere no na Allah ekutu akacha Prophet Muhammad. Inde say mistake mpo enya Quran enya Allah. Nsama no nkorofo na ibisa no to. Then she brought him the baby to her people, carrying him. They said, Oh Mary, indeed you have brought a teen Faria, a mighty teen among Sembeni. Oh sister, e.g. the like of Heron. Oh sister, your father has not. Oh sister, that is the like of, okay, the like of Heron. But Arabic ni ya ukhta Haruna ma kunta abuki imra'a sawin wa ma kana ummuki bagiya. Ya ukhta Haruna no hano among me, but fine. So oh sister mean the and I was say the lack of Heron or Harun or Heron. Your father was not a man who used to commit adultery, nor your mother was an unchaste woman. Okay. And the Hannah some more. And the motion as we are. As in our ha. And she brought him, the baby, to her people. Carrying him. They said, Oh Mary, indeed you have brought a teen Faria. Odi akwala Jesus eko nkorofo nchana. Wawo obaye nande. Wonya jamafo wontumi ka se wa wonti na wonukun wa wonti nti akwala no obaja na obaye nde nti wodi no odi akwala no eko nkorofo nchen. Odo kana mo se ade a wode be die. And won se habi se Mary. Ebi se binmu ebon din direct Mary. Ebi so ka se Haron enuaba. Na sansa no nkorofo no bisa Mary no na Allah ekutu aka kire Prophet Muhammad o. Nti Allah nye mistake. Nti verse ni aha na waka na wase Quran eti. Nti ni medebesi ha. Then she pointed to him. They said, How can we talk to the one who is in a child in the cradle? And some they told so, but be and pen ohoni. Okay. Yan show common sense. We say atam didi ema Allah. Because Pachara say Allah nim the difference if you don't know what between Moses and Jesus and Mary inteno is like catch Yakob Moses we commission on Moses and young commission for when you by Solomon you by David Munina Eba Moses. Commercial for Yakob Soma Amoba Moses, Omo Dawson. David Numina Solomon eba kwan so na mo David Moses eba kwan so na mo bo David Solomon saa ebepem Mary ana Jesus ma me mbre so nde sa wo sin Yankopɔn efrɛ Jesus ma me say Moses nuaba no aye mistake aye wona aye mistake o pa Jesus Yankopɔn wonim interverse if you do what ɛwɔ Moses mbre so ape o pa Jesus Yankopɔn wonim ana nsɛm wɔ hɔ na sɛ nipa no ohu ɔkorɔ anu mu a sɛ na obia kinka sɛ na asekyerɛ no ɛyɛ clear no ɛnyɛ no na wɔpa kyerɛ o even oba ya culture obi tumi wɔ no ba ɔno no ba no afɛ no afra no ma abana ma okos ɔno no ba no no di ne ma me di ade to sa akwala no ma abana ama ma abana ɔno no ba tese bia mma me afra ma me hawa nti me hu akwala bia ya fa na hawa bia sɛ na me ntumi bia ma no nka kyerɛ mma me sɛ mma hawa no nti sɛ me fra akwala a obi a fra na hawa me ntumi dise nka ma me fra na ma mpatwa bra me suma o obi a wo suma na ma me ma bra na me suma o it doesn't mean say mma me wo me na me suma no there bi akwala no di anu a me di na ye pɛ nti sɛ na me ntumi bia ma no ka sɛ mma hawa no nti fra hawa no akwala no so sɛ me fra na hawa direct akwate sɛ obi a ono o ma me di eye pɛ ana obi a wono fra na hawa sane so like one respect o ma me nti sɛ na nti sɛ me fra obi hawa it is yana me fra obi ma di dini ya hawa ma me so di hawa nti me fra obi ma ebe kwa me chini penyino ma me fra na ma because ma me dite it doesn't mean say ona wo me common sense na ebi ni o it doesn't mean say ona wo me nti hana o ka say ya ukhta haruna no nsema nkrofo no efre sa de biduwe Hafiz Buhari echichirum mbebo videos bi mu tin chichirum Hafiz Buhari eyeye nti normal Quran anti say obi sana me kan o frɛ wo sister di ene obi di akoya pe no say o sister o frɛ no ana say be o me nana it doesn't mean say sa akwala na ye wo nana mpa be edini na ye pe nti Quran anti common sense Moses embrace Moses eba so eba ya obi Nyankopɔn san to no sa frɛ no ife bebree ansa na ye wo Jesus aja se Nyankopɔn wonim interverse wonim ife do Moses frɛ so wonim come on what I say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah